Hi, my name is Dominic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to host your own website using GitHub Pages. This is perfect if you want to host your own portfolio website or just play around with web development. All you need to get started is to either sign in or create a GitHub account and then navigate to the Your Repositories section here. Once you're here, you're going to hit New and name your repository and then create it. Once it's created, you'll have the option to upload files, which I will do by dragging and dropping into this box here. Once all your files are uploaded, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and then hit Commit Changes. Once you get to this page, you want to navigate to the Settings tab at the top here and go down to Pages, click that. Make sure you're on Deploy from a branch, and then under the branch section, select Main, and then the directory should be root, and then you're going to hit Save on that, and this will start deploying your website here, which you can view by clicking the Actions tab, and you can monitor the progress of the deployment. But if we go back to the actual pages, if you want to add a custom domain for your website, such as this domain that I have here, you can enter it here and hit save. And then in addition to doing this, you also need to go to your domain provider that you purchased the domain from and enter a few records, which you can find how to do that by clicking on this link here and then clicking on managing a custom domain and then scrolling down, and it will give you step-by-step instructions on how to enter all of the A records as well as a CNAME record. So once you have the 4 A name records and the CNAME record, you should be all set and your DNS check should be successful. And then you just hit refresh here, and then you can visit your custom portfolio or whatever website you like. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you learned something new.